Well, onto the trunk we go. You can see that we have just a tiny bit of rust here. Going across.
Oh yeah. And
yeah, so I marked it at 6 inches from here to here, and I measured the panel, and it's more like 8. So I'm actually just going to make this cut. I'm going to cut this along here, up here, just to get this out of the way. Then I can try to dissect all this and everything, but I just want to get this main piece out. See, I have this panel here. They call it the last 10 inches, but it's not 10 inches from here to here.
it looks like 9 inches.
Yeah, it's like 8 inches, a little more. It's 8.5. So I figure I'll leave myself a little bit of room, and then we'll figure out what's going on. So, time for the death wheel.
Ta-da!
More rusted junk metal. Isn't that beautiful?
A bigger hole.
More holes. Tired of holes. I just gotta figure out here, you know, get this piece loose from where that is. That came off because that was rotted.
Yeah.
So, yep, there we are. The start of the trunk pan. Well, trunk section.
Okay. Okay.
Back.
We're gone.
Yeah, the back of the car is cut off. Here's a piece that we cut out.
Oh yeah, that's pretty.
Yeah, isn't it? That's really nice. Yeah. So I think this is all mud pretty much. I gotta save this. I gotta take this off here and here. So, because I gotta save the latch. The locating pin wasn't there, so I gotta order one of those. But you can see by this here for this piece that we cut out. So, more gunk gone. And nothing moved. Well, hold on. Leave that on. Check this. Let's see if this actually. Yeah, look at that. Nothing moved.
Good.
Yeah. I like that. It's as good as it did before. It's clean. Now to start taking it apart. "70 years of grime is gone." Liquid drag shocks cleaned up nice. Well, that's not really very exciting, but had to be done. Right? Yeah, he says, yep. Well, we're back on the back. So this is the back area. So if you're trying to figure out where I'm at, there's the taillight. I already cut this panel, you know, it goes in between. It's braced. So, but anyway, this is where we are right now. And look at all that beautiful metal. Isn't that nice? That's sweet. So I think what I'm going to do is what? So we got all that stuff cut off. We finished that up. There was a couple pieces here that were welded on the back for that imaginary bar that went through. So that's all cut off. So now it's just a matter of working on this thing a little bit at a time, trying to get this all finished up. I've got the motor back in it just to mock it up for the one last time and finish welding. But you can see those pieces we cut off. So, alrighty, on to the next adventure. Well, we've been working on the back end here, and I haven't really filmed a lot of this because I'll be honest with you, this isn't a tutorial because I don't know, I have a clue what I'm doing, but I think I'm in the right place here. So if you look, it looks like it's pretty close. If you look here, it's all within. I think it's right where it's supposed to be. And the sides are a total disaster. And this back piece is a disaster, but you know what? I think I needed to get this piece in, you know, just at least self-tapered, just to kind of figure out where we're going. I think, you know, kind of going by that little piece that's left there I haven't ground off yet. It seems like it's lining up where it needs to be. So, in this whole mosh posh of a video, we're going to leave it here. And I'm going to tell everybody thank you for watching, subscribing, and liking. I know these videos get kind of boring, but if you stick here this long, I really appreciate it. And we're making some sort of progress. So, okay, until next time, everybody be safe, have a good day, have a good week. We'll see you next time. Caveman Garage out.